Okay, so we have to integrate 1 by 1 minus cot x. Now if you'll observe, I don't think we will get any kind of idea. Okay, so what I'm suggesting you guys, just convert your question into sine cos. So we will be having sin x minus cos x, and then we will be having sin x dx. Now look at the manipulation what I am trying to take. I know that if I'll take sin x minus cos x as z, look at this. I'll show you something. So sin x minus cos x as z. So dz by dx will become what? Sin will become cos x, cos will become sin x. Correct? So in numerator we want sin x plus cos x. So you have sin x. So if you have sin x, you need cos x. So you managed, but if you have added cos x, you have to subtract cos x. And now what you will do with this cos x? If you will keep on adding, subtracting, things will keep on going till infinity. Na? So this is not the solution. So what I am suggesting you guys, replace sin x with 2 sin x. Okay? And look at the beauty. How I will manipulate. So 1 by 2 integration of this is sin x minus cos x plus sin x and then plus cos x. Now look at the beauty. You have sin x plus sin x will become 2 sin x, managed. Sin x cos x plus cos x minus cos x is neutralized. So it's okay now. Okay. Now we will segregate this question into two questions. So 1 by 2 integration of sin x minus cos x dx upon sin x minus cos x plus 1 by 2 integration sin x plus cos x and then sin x minus cos x dx. Now look at this how I will manipulate. So things are already done. You know this thing will become 1. So integration of 1 becomes x. So it is x by 2. Now you know that the denominator has been taken as z and the numerator becomes the differentiation of denominator. So it will become plus 1 by 2 log z. Who is z? Sin x minus cos x plus integration constant c. So in the integration of 1 by 1 minus cot x dx is x by 2 plus 1 by 2 log sin x minus cos x. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations.